Hey, this is Dave from housebarons.com. Today we're going to show you a little hack that's real helpful when you grill corn. If you've seen our previous video on grilling corn, it's a real tasty way of cooking corn and getting it just right. But there's always a little hassle when it comes to corn when you're taking the husks off. And I'll show you what it is. This is the classic scenario. When you start to husk the corn and you take it off, you start taking the husks off. You know, what you end up with is a really nice piece of corn, but all these little silks, make an absolute mess of your corn. You end up with something like that. They're all attached to the corn, and you have to end up picking them off. And we want to try to get rid of those.
Okay, here is an easy way to shuck the corn after you've cooked it on the grill. So you want to go at the opposite end. Here's your tassels, and here you want to go to the opposite end. You feel where the end of the cob is. Make sure you're cutting past the end. And then the key is to hold on tight to this end. Hold on tight to those, where all those silks are going to be. And when you pull it out, no silks on the corn. Okay.
Well, I hope this video helps. Next time you want to have some corn and not deal with all these little annoying silks, give this a try. If it works for you, give us a thumbs up. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comment section below and we'll get to them as soon as we can. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.